Hello everyone, in this video I'll be sharing an exclusive offer from Bluehost that comes with a fantastic coupon promo code. By clicking the link provided in the video description, you can avail a generous 75% discount and a free domain. In case the link doesn't direct you as expected, simply copy and paste it into your browser, then hit enter to unlock these incredible savings. The coupon will be automatically applied for you. Now, let's dive into today's topics. Introduction. In the vast landscape of web hosting providers, Bluehost stands out as a trusted name, offering top-notch services to individuals and businesses alike. With its robust features, user-friendly interface, and excellent customer support, Bluehost has cemented its position as a leading hosting provider in the industry. What is Bluehost? Bluehost is a web hosting company that provides a platform for individuals and businesses to make their presence felt on the internet. Founded in 2003, Bluehost has since grown to become one of the largest and most reliable hosting providers globally, hosting millions of websites across the world. Benefits of Bluehost. Free one-year domain. Bluehost offers users a complimentary domain name for the first year, making it easier for individuals and businesses to establish their online identity without incurring additional costs. Free SSL certificate. Security is paramount in today's online landscape, and Bluehost understands this well. That's why every hosting plan comes with a free SSL certificate, encrypting data transmission and ensuring the safety of visitors' information on your website. 75% discount on hosting. Bluehost is committed to making web hosting affordable for everyone. With their ongoing discounts, users can enjoy significant savings on their hosting plans, making it accessible for startups, bloggers, and small businesses to establish their online presence without breaking the bank. One-click WordPress installation. WordPress powers millions of websites worldwide, and Bluehost makes it incredibly easy to set up. With just a single click, users can install WordPress and start building their website or blog within minutes, even with no prior technical knowledge. 30-day money-back guarantee. Bluehost stands behind its services with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If for any reason you're not satisfied with your hosting experience within the first 30 days, you can request a full refund. No questions asked. 24/7 customer support. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced webmaster, having reliable customer support is crucial. Bluehost offers round-the-clock support via phone, live chat, and email, ensuring that help is always available whenever you need it. Conclusion. Bluehost continues to set the standard for excellence in web hosting, offering an array of features and benefits designed to meet the diverse needs of users. From free domain registration and SSL certificates to affordable hosting plans and exceptional customer support, Bluehost remains a trusted partner for individuals and businesses looking to establish a strong online presence. With Bluehost, you can rest assured that your website is in good hands, backed by reliable infrastructure and unwavering support. Remember to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel. Jesus bless you. Thank you.